Hello student. So in this period we are going to learn about the next chapter, that is pair of straight line. So we know about the theory of line. That means we have the general equation of straight line, that is it is a linear equation in x and y, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. It is a general equation of a straight line, in which in this case we are going to learn about the different types of straight line, pair of straight line. That means more than one straight line. We have to calculate the equation of straight line, pair of straight line, which is passing through origin and which does not passing through origin. Again, we know the result if C, where A, B, C, Ax plus by plus C equals to 0. It is a general equation of straight line in which A, B, C are constant if C equals to 0. And we have two cases, C equals to 0 and C does not equals to 0. That means if C equals to 0, then we have the line is passing through origin. That means Ax plus by and C equals to 0, then we can write it as Ax plus by plus C equals to 0. That is Ax plus by equals to 0. That means this line contains at least one point. This line contains at least one point which has coordinate 0, 0. That means if C equals to 0, then line is passing through origin, this line, like this manner. That means this line contains at least one point which has coordinate 0, 0. That means x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is equals to 0. Again, if C does not equals to 0, if C does not equals to 0, then line should not be drawn from origin. That means line does not passing through origin. That means there are two cases. If C equals to 0, then line passing through origin, and if C is not equals to 0, then line does not passing through origin. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about more than one line. That means pair of line. That means one line and it is another line. That means we have to calculate the combined equation of pair of straight line. There is also two cases. If two lines, if L1 and L2 are two lines, if L1 and L2 are two lines, suppose that, what is the possibility of two lines in case of slope or in case of origin? If L1 and L2 are two lines, it is a locus of a point, we know very well. And if L1 and L2 are two lines, there are two possibilities. That means two lines are passing through origin and two lines does not passing through origin. Now firstly we calculate or we study about the combined equation of straight line which is passing through origin. That means combined equation of pair of straight line is, it is ax square plus 2hxy plus b equals to 0. It is a combined equation of pair of straight line. It is a combined equation of pair of straight line which passing through origin. That means if we draw the graph of these two lines, it is like this manner. It is L1 and L2 are passing through origin, then combined equation of L1 and L2 is nothing but it is a homogeneous equation in x and y. It is a homogeneous equation in x and y, that is ax square plus 2hxy x square plus 2hxy. It is 2hxy xy plus by square equals to 0. It is a combined equation of pair of straight line which is passing through origin, and it is known as an homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation in x and y. So what do you mean by homogeneous equation? Let us consider here is x, xy and y. It is a variable. So count the indices of each term, and sum of each term is equal. Then we can say that it is a homogeneous equation in x and y. So first of all, observe this. It is a. It is a constant number. X is a variable. It has indices 2, so it is 2. Again, 2h is a constant number. X has indices 1. Y has indices 1. That is 1 plus 1. That is 2. That means x it has power 2. X and y has again power 1 plus 1, that is 2, and y square again power 2. That means variable indices of variable or sum of indices of variable is equal. Then we say that it is a homogeneous equation in x and y. So remember this. It is nothing but it is a combined equation of pair of straight line which is passing through origin, that is ax plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. So I think it is clear how to calculate or how to say these equations are homogeneous or non-homogeneous. So it is a homogeneous equation in x and y, and it is a combined equation of pair of straight line passing through origin. So what is the process to find the combined equation of straight line? It is a simple way. If we consider two lines, that is L1 has value 3x plus 2y and L2 has value 4x plus 2y minus 1. If L1 and L2 are two lines and we have to find the combined equation of straight line, so we have to calculate L1 into L2. That means L1 has value, it is 3x plus 2y plus 2 into 4x plus 2y minus 1. Simply multiply the two brackets. So we have 3x into 4x, 3x multiply 3x by this group, again 2y by this bracket and 2 and by this bracket. So it is 3x into 4x, 3x into 4x, that is 12x square, 3x plus 2y, 3x into 2xy, that means it is 6xy. 3x into minus 1, that is minus 3x, again multiply by 2y, that is 2y, it is 8xy, again 2y into 2y, that is 4y square, 2y into minus 1, that is minus 2y, again multiply by 2, that is 2, it is 8x plus it is 4y, again 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. So add the equal term, that means in case of x and y, add the similar term, that means 12x square. So write down, it is 12x square, it is 6xy, it is 8xy. 6xy plus 8xy. 6xy plus 8xy, it is equals to 14xy. So it is minus 3x minus 2y. It is 8x minus 3x plus 8x, that is equals to plus 5x. Again 4y square plus minus 2y plus 4y, that is equals to plus 2y, and minus 2 is, so it is 12x square plus 14xy plus 5x plus 4y square plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. So it is the process to find the equation, combined equation of two lines. That means we have to multiply simple this bracket with this bracket. So this simple way, now it is the combined equation of straight line which has value L1 equals to 3x plus 2y plus 2. Again it is L2 equals to 4x plus 2y minus 1. So simply, so here observe that it is now, it is in the form of, it is not in the form of ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equals to 0. Because of, observe this, c has value does not equals to 0. That means these lines are does not passing through origin. Therefore, it is not in the form of ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equals to 0. If we consider as it is 3x plus 2y and it is 4x plus 2y, then we have to multiply only two terms, that is two bracket, then we get the solution as like ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. Because of here the constant term has value 0, that means c equals to 0. So let us consider, if we consider these two lines are 3x plus 2y and 4x plus 2y. So L1 into L2 equals to 3x plus 2y and it is 4x plus 2y. Simple multiplication, that is 3x into 4x, that is 12x square, 3x into 2y, that is 6xy, again multiply by 2y, that is 2y into 4, it is 8xy, it is 2y into 2y, that is 4y square. So simplify the equal term, that is 12x square, it is 6x plus 8x, that is 14xy plus 4y square. Observe this case, that is if c equals to 0, then combined equation is in the form of, it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. It is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. So this is the process to find the combined equation of pair of straight line. So now again I recall the term what you learned in this case. So we have two lines L1 and L2 and we have to find the combined equation of straight line. If lines are passing through origin, the equation of that combined equation of that line is ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equals to 0. And how to calculate the combined equation is nothing but it is a simple multiplication of two lines. That means L1 equals to this equation, that means here c is equals to 0, that means lines are passing through origin. Here L2 c equals to 0, that means lines are passing through origin. Therefore the equation should be in the form of ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equals to 0. That is, if we multiply this term and add the equal term, that means 6xy plus 8xy, that means 14xy. It is 2y into 2y, that is 4y square. So observe this, 12x square plus 14xy plus 4y square. It is the general equation, it is the combined equation of these lines. So now it is enough. So in the next period, we calculate some problem depending on combined equation of pair of straight line. Now thank you.